Most car product videos show off gadgets you'll probably never actually use. But not this one. These 10 products either saved my car from serious trouble or prevented me from losing it altogether. One of them cost less than $10 and may have spared me from a $3,500 repair bill. And the final item on the list? It's not just for your car. It could help protect both your health and your finances. Don't skip around, or you might miss the one product that could save your day when you least expect it. Let's jump in. Product number 1. Air Conditioner Recharge Kits. A failing AC can quickly turn your car into a sweltering oven. And it's not just about staying comfortable. A working AC also helps prevent your windshield from fogging up. If your vents are only pushing out warm air, an AC recharge kit can bring the cold air back. Before you get started, remember, safety first. Always wear gloves and safety glasses. Locate your car's low-pressure port and clean away any dirt or debris. Attach the recharge kit firmly and take a reading from the pressure gauge. If the pressure is low, slowly add refrigerant, carefully watching the gauge as you go. Once you reach the recommended pressure, disconnect the kit and seal the port. In just a few minutes, your AC system should be cooling properly again, making your drives much more comfortable. However, if your air conditioning still isn't performing well, it could point to a more serious problem, like a refrigerant leak or a failing compressor. If that's the case, it's time to take your vehicle to a professional. Product number 2. The Oil Filter Adapter. A clean engine runs better and lasts longer. Skipping an oil filter change is like sipping clean water through a filthy straw. As time goes on, old filters fill up with sludge, forcing your engine to work harder and wear out faster. An oil filter adapter makes the whole process of replacing your filter fast, neat, and hassle-free. It grabs onto stuck filters, helps avoid messy spills, and is compatible with most car makes and models. Say goodbye to bruised knuckles and the struggle of removing a stubborn filter. Just attach the adapter to your wrench, twist off the old filter, and pop in a new one. It's a simple tool with a powerful impact. Brands like Lazel and OTC Tools sell dependable options for under $20. A small price for saving time and avoiding frustration. But here's a question. Do you really need to change the oil filter with every oil change? Or is that just a cash-grabbing myth? Time to uncover the real answer. Product number 3. The Battery Tester. Don't wait for your battery to die out of nowhere. Stay one step ahead by checking it regularly. Using a tester is quick and straightforward. Just connect the clamps to your battery terminals, red to the positive side and black to the negative. Power up the tester, and it will give you an instant readout of your battery's condition. A green light means everything's running smoothly, while a red light is your warning that it's time for a new battery. For dependable and precise readings, I recommend the Topdon BT100 car battery tester. It's small, easy to use, and designed for 12-volt systems, making it a solid option for most vehicles. Product number 4. The Hood Stay Clamp. This compact yet powerful device keeps your hood firmly in place, eliminating the need to rely on a weak or unreliable prop rod. No more sudden hood slams while you're deep into an oil change or under the hood repair. It's incredibly simple to use. Just attach the clamp to the hood strut, and it locks everything securely. Whether you're checking your battery, refilling fluids, or troubleshooting a problem, this tool gives you the stability and peace of mind to work safely. It's designed to fit most vehicles, making it a go-to tool for nearly any car owner. When hoods drop without warning, accidents can happen, and that's the last thing you want while handling sharp tools or delicate engine parts. A quality hood stay clamp adds a layer of safety, support, and ease to any maintenance job. Brands like Lizelle and Bull make sturdy, affordable versions for under $15. Product number 5. The Tire Inflator. This portable device connects to your car's 12-volt outlet and brings underinflated tires back to proper pressure in just minutes. Say goodbye to fighting with outdated gas station air pumps or waiting endlessly for roadside help. With a tire inflator in your trunk, you're in charge. Today's models are quick, reliable, and simple to operate. Many include built-in pressure gauges to help avoid overinflating. Options like the Vire 84P let you track PSI in real time, ensuring you get the exact pressure your tires need. Properly inflated tires are more than just convenient. They're critical for your safety. Driving on low pressure burns more fuel, wears tires down faster, and raises the risk of dangerous blowouts. A quick pressure check can save you cash and reduce your chances of trouble on the road. Check the PSI guide on your car's door frame and make it a routine to top off your tires when needed. These inflators are handy for more than just cars. They can also fill bike tires, sports balls, and even pool toys. Product number 6. The Vacuum Cleaner. A messy car can feel like a cluttered second-hand space. Crumbs, pet hair, and dust seem to find their way into every crack and crevice of your vehicle. A reliable vacuum cleaner is your first line of defense against the buildup. It brings back that clean, freshly detailed vibe. Cordless vacuums from brands like Black Plus Decker and Dyson make the job a breeze. No cords to drag around or outlets to search for. These vacuums are lightweight, strong, and perfect for getting into tight spots, under the seats, in cup holders, and between dashboard buttons. Dust and dirt don't stand a chance. Got kids who snack on the go? A quick vacuuming session can eliminate those sneaky crumbs and sticky messes. If you've got pets, this is your answer to hair-covered seats. Plus, it picks up fine dust before you start wiping surfaces down, so grime doesn't resettle afterward. Bonus tip: a vacuum can even help spot hidden air leaks. If debris blows around near your floor mats, it might be a sign of air escaping through a small opening. Product number 7. Puncture repair kits and tire pressure gauges. You don't need to call a tow truck or waste time waiting around at a repair shop. Just patch the puncture and keep moving. Brands like Slime and Fix-A-Flat offer kits for under $20 that can be real lifesavers when you're stranded. But what about those slow leaks that slip under the radar? Driving with low tire pressure wears your tires down faster, burns more fuel, and raises the risk of a blowout, which can be extremely dangerous. That's why a tire pressure gauge is essential. Simply press it against your tire's valve stem, check the PSI, and top up the air if it's low. Your vehicle's recommended PSI can be found on the sticker inside the driver's door. Follow it closely. Keep in mind, though, that repair kits are only suitable for small punctures. If the damage is on the sidewall or you see a bubble or rip, it's time to call in a professional. Maintaining proper tire pressure and repairing minor punctures means improved gas mileage, fewer unexpected problems, and a much safer drive. Up next, how to protect your car's paint so it keeps that brand new shine. Product number 8. UV Protectant. Your car doesn't deserve to be weathered by the sun. Intense sunlight can fade upholstery, crack your dashboard, and turn sleek trim into dull, lifeless plastic. A UV protectant works like sunscreen for your car's interior, blocking harmful rays while keeping surfaces smooth, flexible, and vibrant. It revives that clean, like-new appearance you appreciate. Just spray it on, or apply it with a cloth. It's ideal for dashboards, seats, and even rubber door seals. Top-quality options like 303 Aerospace and Meguiar's Ultimate Protectant are specifically formulated for vehicles. They shield interior surfaces and extend their lifespan. For the best protection, reapply every 2 to 3 months. Avoid regular household cleaners. They can dry out materials over time. Sticking with a dedicated UV protectant is a smarter choice. A small bottle usually costs around $15, but it can prevent much more expensive repairs down the line. By protecting your car's interior from sun damage, it keeps your ride looking sharp and leaves you feeling proud every time you hit the road. Product number 9. Jump Starter. A dead car battery never fails to strike at the worst possible moment. That's when a jump starter becomes your best ally. No more waiting around for roadside help or awkwardly approaching strangers for a boost. Just connect it and get your vehicle going again within minutes. Today's jump starters are sleek, highly efficient, and designed for ease of use. Most are equipped with advanced safety features such as overload protection and safeguards against reverse polarity. So, no sparks, no mishaps. Some even go beyond jump-starting by serving as portable power banks, allowing you to charge your smartphone or laptop in emergencies. Operating one is straightforward. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black to the negative. Press the start button and wait briefly until the engine comes alive. Once running, detach the clamps and you're ready to hit the road. This tool isn't just convenient. It can be a genuine lifesaver. Keep one in your trunk and never let a flat battery throw off your plans again. And on the topic of peace of mind, springtime doesn't only bring mechanical issues, it can stir emotional ones too. With longer days, there's often an internal pressure to reset everything: goals, routines, even shifting social circles. It can easily lead to feelings of stress and imbalance. I've personally experienced that seasonal urge to achieve more while still feeling out of sync. Product number 10. Radiator Pressure Tester Kit. If you think your car might be overheating, don't rely on guesswork. Run a test. A radiator pressure tester kit lets you identify hidden leaks in your cooling system before they lead to expensive damage. Simply pump the tool to match your system's PSI and monitor the pressure gauge. If the pressure drops, you've got a leak. It's that straightforward. This tool is great for detecting worn-out radiator caps, split hoses, or even serious issues like blown head gaskets. Brands like OEM Tools and ABN offer dependable kits for under $40. Using this single tool could stop an overheating issue in its tracks and save you from a repair bill that could easily top $1,000. We've just gone through 10 essential car tools that help keep your vehicle in top shape. These smart picks enhance your car's performance, extend its life, and help you save money where it counts.